What's up, y'all? So today has been a super productive morning. I got a lot of the kind of techie stuff that I really have been trying to get down from a production side. Um, Done over the last couple hours. I figured out IGTV. I I figured out how to get free music off the internet to put in the background of like build videos. A lot of just like super, not exactly admin-y, but like super back end kind of stuff, and feels really good. I got that necklace done yesterday. I probably won't do a new build today because what I really want to focus on this week is getting the shop like as minimalist as I can. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there that needs to be like in a dry environment. So like I can't bring the kiln out and I can't leave my chainsaw out and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try and Tetris the shit out of it to the point where like I can move and get around and access stuff, and I really want, oh, this is so cute. I really want to be able to like seamlessly add uh, video capabilities throughout my entire day. So like there's definitely times where I'm doing something and maybe like it takes an hour and I only have like an hour 5 or an hour 10, and I'm like, ah, fuck, like I wanna record this and put it out so like people get to see it, but like I don't have time because like it's so clunky right now. Not right now, but like it was so clunky, and it's getting more um, streamlined. So I just want it to be like where I don't even think about the production side. It just like is something that is part of everything. Because I really like showing it, and I really love watching, like when I go on IG or TikTok or whatever, like one of my favorite things to do is to watch people make shit and create shit, and like how they're doing it and what they're doing, and like uh, that's really a way that I learn as well as just enjoy watching. So I imagine I'm not the only person like that out there. Uh, so yeah, I have a lot of plans. The first one really is just to get the shop like nice and clean and easy to move around. Um, and then I'm also going to focus on my website. Uh, Probably over the next couple days, like probably like Thursday, Friday, or like Friday, Monday, or maybe a little bit this weekend. And I really want to come up with a design where it's like a retractable arm that I can pull down, kind of uh, like the dentist lights, where like if you move them, they like go easily to wherever you want, and then they just stop, and they don't like spring back or anything like that. What I really want is something like that with like a magnetic mount on it, like I have on my car dashboard, so I can literally just grab the arm, move it, put it to the angle that I want, and then slap the camera on it, and good to go. Right now I have like kind of a screw clamp, like uh, bendy arm thing, and it's all right, but like it's not ideal. Um, but that's about it for right now. I'm gonna work on the shop later. What's up, y'all? I'm just mid DoorDash right now, waiting on an order. So I thought I'd just do like an update of like end of the day. It went pretty good. definitely more centered, heads in the right place. DoorDash is going well tonight. Got the shed like super torn apart, and then I'll finish cleaning shit out tomorrow and reorganize. Should hopefully pretty much be done with that by the end of tomorrow. And then start on the website. I think I'm gonna start by using Weebly. Maybe I'll push the website to the weekend, because Lisa knows how to use Weebly and she can help me with that. I bought 8606designstudio.com from Google, so that's cool. I have a domain now. 8606 was owned, surprisingly. So I didn't buy that one, but maybe I'll get it later. Yeah, that's pretty much it today. Print another box, which should hopefully be good and ready by now. Yeah, just feeling good, got my patience back, and ready to rock again tomorrow.